In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow multiple responses on Surveymonkey, a simple process that you can complete in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Surveymonkey or looking to enhance your survey taking capabilities, I'll guide you through each step to ensure your survey can collect multiple responses from the same device effortlessly. First things first, let's get started by logging into Surveymonkey. Make sure you have your login credentials ready for a smooth sign-in experience. Once you're logged in, go over to surveymonkey.com and locate the survey you want to modify. Having your survey open before making any changes is important so you can ensure that the correct project is being updated. Next, navigate to the Collect Responses tab. You can find this in your survey menu, and it serves as the hub where all your response settings reside. Once you click on this tab, you'll see various ways to gather responses for your survey. Now, you'll need to select the collector you're using. A collector is essentially the method through which you're gathering responses. For instance, if you're using a web link for distribution, you would choose the web link collector. This step is crucial because your settings will apply to the specific collector you choose. After selecting the collector, look for the Action button. This is typically represented by 3 small dots, often found next to your collector link. Clicking on this button will reveal a menu with additional settings that you can adjust. In this menu, look for the option that allows multiple responses from the same device. The exact wording might be, "Allow the survey to be taken more than once from the same device." Enabling this option is key for situations where multiple survey entries need to be submitted from the same computer or device, such as in shared environments like libraries or offices. Once you've enabled this setting, it's important to save your changes. Saving ensures that all the adjustments you made are applied correctly and the survey functions as intended. Double-check that the settings are enabled as desired before closing the menu. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully configured your survey to collect multiple responses from the same device. This functionality can be particularly useful for events, shared workspaces, or any situation where repeated entries might occur. Make sure to review and test your survey settings if possible to see the changes in action. Thank you for watching, and I hope this quick tutorial helps you gather the data you need efficiently. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy surveying!